In the delicate balance of our planet, forces of nature occasionally remind us of their power. Today, we delve into the world of scientific observations as we explore three impending natural disasters that could reshape our planet. Join us on this journey as we hear from experts who are deciphering the signs and preparing us for what lies ahead. First, superstorms. Superstorms fueled by climate change are becoming more frequent and intense. As the Earth's atmosphere warms, the energy available for these storms increases. We're witnessing a surge in hurricanes, typhoons, and cyclones, with unprecedented strength and destructive potential. It's not about the wind speed, it's about the rainfall and storm surge. Rising sea levels amplifies the impact, causing devastating floods. Understanding these patterns helps us predict and prepare for these extreme weather events. Second, mega earthquakes. Beneath our feet, tectonic plates are constantly shifting. The potential for mega earthquakes, especially along the Pacific Ring of Fire, is a looming threat. Subduction zones, where one plate slides beneath another, can unleash colossal seismic energy. With advanced seismic and monitoring technology, we are gaining insights into earthquake precautions. Early warning systems are crucial in saving lives and mitigating damage. Preparedness is our best defense against the unpredictable nature of these seismic events. Third, rising sea levels. Climate change is causing polar ice caps and glaciers to melt, contributing to rising sea levels. Coastal regions and low-lying islands are particularly vulnerable. The implications are profound, affecting not only ecosystems but millions of human lives. Understanding the intricacies of sea level rising is vital for coastal planning and adaptation strategies. From building resilient infrastructures to implementing sustainable practices, we must act now to mitigate the impact of vulnerable communities. As scientists unravel the complexity of these impending natural disasters, the call to action becomes clear. Through innovation, preparedness, and a collective commitment to environmental stewardship, we have the power to mitigate the impact of these forces of nature. Join us in our shared responsibilities to protect our planet and ensure a resilient future for generations to come.